Hey y'all, this week's quick tip is all about how to insert audio in Google Forms using the Mote Chrome extension. So if you're not familiar with Mote, I've been talking about Mote a lot this year. I really love it. It works in Google Classroom. It works in so many of our favorite Google applications. And what's super cool in Google Forms is you can actually record the audio to go with your question. And of course, there's many reasons why you may want to do that. You may just want to read it aloud or add something else. Now, you're not going to see the option once you have Mote installed. You're not going to see the option for audio until you're in the editing mode of the question. And then look for your little purple M and you're going to click to record. This is your question of the day. And click done. And so now there is a link there. Now, once we go to view this form, there'll be a player embedded inside the form. What's even better is if students have this installed, they can actually respond with audio as well. So love, love, love Mote and love how it works in Google Forms now. Go check it out, install it, and try it. And let me know what you think. If you like this tip, please click that thumbs up and subscribe so that you get notified when new tips come out each week. Bye, y'all.